of people have been asking us what do we do on a typical morning in Hawaii, so we're going to show you today. Let's go! With a hike at Manoa Falls. We just wanted to remind everyone that whenever you do a hike in Hawaii, it's always important to bring a bottle of water and maybe some snacks like protein bars or something to munch on, so that in case you get hungry, you have something to eat. Let's go.
We've done this hike a few times with Meme, and we've done it in the rain, we've done it when it's dry, but today, by far, it's the most humid day that we've climbed it on. My glasses are all foggy, my arms are shiny because I'm sweating so much, and we're not even like hiking that fast. I'm not out of breath, but I'm sweating so much. The ground is also really wet today, and ironically enough, I just washed my shoes yesterday because they were full of mud, and they're full of mud again today, so I'm gonna have to wash them again tonight. Oh, we're here!
One of the reasons why I really like this hike is because you can hear the sound of water and you can hear like the birds singing, and it's just so full of nature. Even like look at the bamboos. I mean, I know it's invasive species, but they create a lot of shade, and that makes the trail like a little bit easier because it protects you from the sun. So I just love this hike.
Yeah, there's like a little breeze on this corridor.
Yeah, it's just so nice, right? Along the moss, it's just so green. There's like so many hikes, and some of them are just like not they don't have any shade, so this is pretty nice. Although I don't think you realize that my earrings today are like for these.
Why?
Like
What do you have in your earrings?
Pandas.
Well, come over here.
Do you see that? They're like in a bamboo forest, and I have pandas.
Panda!
But I also have a llama.
A llama? I get the panda, but I don't get the llama.
Well, I don't know. Maybe a new kind of trend coming.
Panda llama?
Yeah, panda llama. So now that we've finished this amazing hike, we're gonna go have this amazing breakfast.
At Morning Glass.
Let's go.
Let's do it!
It's so delicious. It's like the best agua fresca ever. Basically, it's like a watermelon juice. And I think they probably put cucumber, and it's delicious. I'm excited. And I ordered the mozzarella sandwich, kind of grilled style. It's so delicious. It's like just freshly made. Thank you. Have a good day. How is it?
Wow. Everything about it is good. It has mustard. The ham is warm. The bread is amazing. And it's perfect. This is a perfect sandwich. Well,